Hi, and welcome to this video, Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing Questions and Answers. And today's question is, can a position tolerance get a non-cylindrical tolerance zone? The answer is yes. So if you're short on time, you can stop watching. Now, let's go into detail. The part we see on the right is a bracket, and it's mounted by these two surfaces, and it needs to support another part at this angled surface. Interfaces, the two coplanar surfaces mount to a single plate, and the angled surface is what holds the part of interest. Now, for the interesting part, the plane mount surfaces need to be coplanar by 0.05. The two M22 threads need to be located and oriented as to a cylinder of 0.1. And the interesting part is that with the M16 thread, we are more sensitive in one direction than in the other. But the orientation needs to be maintained at a tight tolerance. So let's see how it looks on the drawing. For clarity, we added a rendered view and a detailed view of the M16 thread, and let's start to it. The first specification is that the position of the thread's pitch diameter axis needs to be within 0.1. Note there's no cylindrical sign ahead of the tolerance zone. And in this case, the tolerance zone shape and orientation is taken from the dimension lines. This concept is also shared with ISO GPS and the American Standard ASME. So the tolerance zone are two planes, parallel planes, with a 0.1 offset symmetrical to the theoretical location, as we can see more clearly in the detailed view. For the second specification, position 0.04, and this is in an angled direction. Once again, no diameter, so the shape and orientation of the tolerance zone is taken from the dimension lines, and we can see it more clearly at this view. The third specification required that the angularity needs to be maintained tight because as is, we see that the pitch diameter may tip 0.1 in one direction, and we want to avoid that. So the last specification regarding the axis of the pitch diameter is angularity. Diameter 0.04, and in this case, we can see the tolerance zone as a cylinder. And keep in mind that orientation does not locate, so this cylinder can float within the first two tolerance zones. All in all, a manufactured piece needs to comply with all three specifications. Hope you found this helpful. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our video channel, check out our website, and as well, you can join our question and answers WhatsApp group. Flip the word. Thank you all. See you at the next tip. Bye.